Line MVP full black. She look go down. She look go down. We're not talking about the singing thing, cause me look me hear that. Oh, she look. Line MVP full black in action. Right about now, I'd like to introduce to you a man. He want to favor Bob Marley. I want him to come side with him want to favor Jesus. You understand me? So it must be a religious thing to go on. But it's the first Rasta man that we're going to introduce on stage. Let's welcome inside Line MVP full black. And a draw for Milani. Let's hear for confidence. Jimmy Spoon. You're right, thank you. You
we say you want catch the wise, want like a dumb. Want see the lines, watch the eyes, not the tongue. Read between the lines, the back and the front. When your daughter or your son say to the uncle what? When me here come, me know it's a pun. John knows say my hope is a joke in my run. Your mother knock my brother mind they all locked down. But once in the chorus now, hey, say uncle come today. And my son say uncle come today. Yeah, he give me 3 balloons. Watch cartoon, then I come by your room and you keep money come today. You bring the whole country come today. Yeah, make taps and make soup and so what's up juice. No one sing the second verse. Yeah, you mean? Girl, she change on the beds. Yeah, me like a son ice cream drain on the spread. One more where she a thinking of her little. When in my room stick like when sitting dead. Situation sticky and Nancy Webb. So me light up a split with try balance my meds. Now when me spot the keep on her and on she leg. Me like a son boy start relating on me. Say uncle come today. I'm again from play my level.
And that's a full black. Future FAMBO, which is the whole full 100. Turn up look. Kidding me? Man.
You know we have chickpea, we have chicken, jerk, stir fry. You can get the roast, steak, curry, anything brown stew. And if you want to do fries, we have fries too. Chicken and gun we have.
Jamaica most famous, you know, where the artists love them and the artists dog. I will place I say bread, rasta bread, corn bread, cheese bread. You know the thing that full black for there.
When you know that New York City, Ebola, you're very smart. Now guess what? If you don't have a visa, you still can win. Guess what I will give you? $10,000 US.
You know me name ending Moses Davis, me what I mean, so you know so this original of my team.
Line MVP, full black. Okay, we're going to call on a man now we're all waiting to see. We have somewhere else to go, so we're going to give him the opportunity to work for you now. Black woman and child. Thank you, mama. Mama met me there. Dry cry. The man who's about to rise to the occasion of MVP full black. Let's hear it for Sizzla.
When I'm caressing last year, what will the old timer say? Hey, what the man will like Kingston say? I Rastafari, praise the Almighty Jamaica. You know what I'm saying? Here the system so nice, I'm a fun of the air. Alright, give me now. Show us the way, let us be sanctified. For your blades are no cool, not no way. Teach us to praise and those who do to die. The needy and the praise be forgotten, no way. I will be on the kings and last year. Through Salam, Goliath, and the Buckle, oh yeah. Sweat and protection for Ryan. Alright, well, then this is life, live and protect around. Could never be right, keeping your black self. Men are who get fright when they hear your song. Justice and equal rights. Make Babylon and front run go ask them. Who they are, the ignorant and such who me said that them have a tea and tar. What the man will I think so I say I draw? A pleasant morning, black people. You don't know a Sizzla country. Alright, next really man, don't waste your time. Hear me now. Hear me now, turn up the system. I'm going to engineer them, turn up the house, and I'm going to think so good for the people. Let me start the show now. When the banana put away and the crown, what goes around comes. I couldn't bring all of put. When them bill speaker up here, some of them feel nothing now come out of them. Turn them up, man. Let's go, man. Turn up the system. Mr. Engineer, turn up the stage for me there. Let me get some box up here, some bill party. You know, I'm going to take on the deal out of the system. The banana put away and the crown, what goes around comes. Couldn't free, couldn't belly on the circle cloud. Let the team and see them barrels from my crowd. Tell them how it's a word, fire and sound. Because the yellow blabbers and let me get the love and let you must be an alien from that around. The palace of the sing on his own. If they get them at the end, they get them at the back. Pull up! Brother, you swear me I wear my stage show. I don't want no one in my way, you know. Mr. Cameraman, kindly excuse me, please. Come on, get mad yet. Come on, notice when I try to lay up that stage show here in the middle of the hey. Next for the engineer, yeah, the next one take too long for them. I'm gonna cost about of them. Things getting better when they thought it would be. Here comes the officers there. I will never bow the sword to the out of the sky. On your solid awesome. Listen, that just can't stop you now. Hey, man, be the faster. Just a in the order. Are you feeling? That's the man that must have that's right. Turn on the vibes, you. Awesome, big up yourself. Big up on the world crew. Some local artists, big up on yourself. Hey, well, simplicity to use. Anybody. Put up. When you love how the vibes are built? When you love how the vibes are built? The girls are, yeah. Hey boy, you know the manners. When you see that coming out of visa, New Kingston are filming New York and Miami, no Batman around here. So if me miss New York and Miami, I come on a New Kingston and see the girls then. So no Batman enough around here. And no friend me I beg. I don't want a sponsor tell me nothing neither. Wickedy, they make the bacteria, them wickedy, they light on them media, them wickedy, they make chicken gunya, them wickedy, they light on them media, them wickedy, they make the Ebola, them wickedy, judgment, them foundation, them wickedy, they make the bacteria, them wickedy, they light level. Hey, pain in your joints, rashes on your skin, chicken gunya attack you like sin. Doctors blame mosquitoes with everything. Them your mosquitoes must be like marine. Fire can't get up, can't step up. They make the bacteria eat set up. Girl them are sexy and a post from where they can party. Them your money smell up. Wickedy, they make the bacteria, they wickedy. They like pandemia, they wickedy. They make the bacteria. Let up. 400 years in a slavery and up we in a the prison cell, them chuck we. Iron FM advertised that a new bacteria struck me. Now the politician come and chat beer. Be like, there go, pull up. Alright, yo, yeah, but I said, next with him. I'm back to my party, man, my back on it. Yo, but I can't get into the level. Give me out. Hey, there's nothing in them 6 days, but which say we ain't fire. Let me decide stay run. Leopard, so I don't know that song there. Hear that one, yeah. And when the country come to the whole place burn down to me, no love for the man, me go fire me. When the country come to the whole place burn down to, let me give you a new lyrics, yeah. Me burn them on the level, burn them up on the flag too. Burn the mother one and burn the one way fat too. Burn the government because the government slack too. But now save the boss because the boss are fat that too. If we must give up, we are fully back up. Pull up now. See some of you man, breed out the girl and run left the big belly. We know only love vagina and they don't love babies. The father does some of you man who don't love no parent. Don't spend the money on no mother, nor no sister. Your brother can always go him, a man. But the mothers and, you know me, I want to know yourself, but I'm telling you something, I beg my friend. But for, you see the girl them, hey, sexy lady, pretty beauty, why you want to bleach your skin? Sexy lady, full black beauty, girl you wanted everything. Sexy lady, pretty black beauty, why you wanna bleach your skin? Sexy, hey, pull up, next track. Judgment yard in progress. What the man when I get so much here? Child, God, woman, I need you. I never exist. But I come on you all I die. Shout and I hear me say, who don't turn up the system some more. And me say, do not get me raw, so you be clear. Don't let me burn down this woman. A whole lot of people think, but I don't because I'm doing this. They don't be your dancing, sing that's not what. They just tell them that's the one thing. Hey, hey, this hard side too. Hey, hey. Hey. Sister can't see the love of me now. Hey, she's give my job. Yeah, Dad. I plan run to something. I know they do to my woman. And then I wonder what's up. I know the place is a flip in my bag. Need a baggy watch and people be like you tell them. Nothing about the murder. Jackson, I left them. And the boy reach the button, nigga. Wanna say I love you, full black. I see you next time. Sizzla Kalanji. Holy man, what I said, I say I jaw. I'm a touching every summer. You mean to see me, you can just make this to Timta. For call the way where I am. Yes, he got to be. Let me on the passion. Pull me up the way it's on there. I know you representing Judgment Yard. Let's hear for Sizzla Kalanji. Come on. Come on, dance all people in here. Say yeah. Kalanji. Live MVP. Full black. The ultimate dancehall experience. Dancehall people enjoy the celebration. Yeah. Big up one and thing on us on the street. Driver and move. It makes somebody fire and full black. Plus and no drop the QUICKCOOK. We're a key. I'm going to try to go on the thing. No, I don't put that in the teller. And full black. You can't tell them. Bird corruption. Wicked Babylon. Yes, my forest and from God. Me and they get the road. Yo, them wicked. Them make the bacteria. Them wicked. Tell like span them media. Them wicked. Them make the bacteria. Them wicked. Them make the chicken gun. Them wicked. That's what we do. But I'm not people. We don't. Put our eyes and not textile in children. We don't know. The queen of DJ. Long time running and still the queen. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the Empress. Lady Song! Lady Song! Live MVP, full black, the ultimate dancehall experience. Yeah.
We don't want to ask Lisa come close. I want to pop. We have chicken. We have brown chicken. Fried chicken, brown stew. I have all kind of chicken, but it's not no feather. Yeah, so I'm kind of paying up tonight and something. So anything you don't get to no take, you can't come over, you know. You don't feel open the gate and come over, because I don't know why they're putting out there, so. Send all the something them. We kind of mash up tonight, yeah? Yeah. Why me? Why me now? Why me? Whatever. Don't worry about it. That's we are gonna sit and eat
beer. So them is the ladies we say them a beer. But hot girl from your conscience clear. Sing the one you love make me hear. Man of the least of the problem. So we let be out there. We took you for the problem. So say a girl should be going out. Put her at me back at me, and at me knuckles them at me, and part of me at me, and yes at me. When the bad girl let me see me get run. This is the letter, tell you what come, me. You sleep with me man and come out, you can boast when me done with you, you wish you never know me spouse. What come, let me show you when me made her. Me not see no girl out there, me afraid her. You say you bad, but me not left the razor. You better run when me drop it out there. A dream, a girl, a dream, it must be. Now make me run up in a scheme, girl, trust me and tear up your nastiness. When me say, teeth and tongue make you talk. What a girl will make me tear off. How are you close make me girl no class? And me Heineken back laptop. Me say, me see a girl, me see jail. Me see liar, money and bail. Pull. Send it home. You know for marriage. Some girl buy them phone. I know about. You one of the man them just stand up and look down. So one of them man I'm bored in them clothes. Send it to the wall. Some other chicken gun here, boy. Send it to. Something we can't do no back shot tonight, no back party. Me and me ex, we can't stay vex. Me and me ex, we still a connect, still a love one another, all when we live. You see how the man them love tell me where them want in a bed? I tell you for turn this way and turn that way. And we're gonna tell them how we want it now, right? Up in a me way. Up in a me way. Up in a me way. Make me lose control. Ramp with my body, boy, push it up. Like a small hotel room, you have to book it up. A bad man, my crush boy, and I stush it up. Just Google my body and look it up. My body feel good, don't you like it? Don't squeeze it like vice grip. One more run, boy, now fight it. Tell me again, see you the tightest. The dress I wheel upon the ceiling. My something's a TV. But turn on woman like a TV. When me balance 90 degrees. Don't stop it. Put your money where your mouth there. Otherwise, no one a chat there. You know this one, man. Sure. Why you deal with that something for me, yeah? Move the shoes on one side. Yeah, give me the cane. Let me see what you can deal with. Drop your pants, get about. Shake you up. Send. Come on, baby, I'm a friend, dog. Tonight. Let me take you on a love talk. Tonight. Let us stare up the stair floor. Tonight, yeah, tonight. I wanna give it to you hardcore. Tonight. Let me love you. Put up there. I think woman ever there with you yet? I look like me have to go there with you first before you know if you move up yourself. I train you, want me train you? Alright, just lay down my gun yourself. Lay down my gun yourself. You work with them. You work with the company. Alright, well set yourself good there so if you can't lay down. Then you think the man will own the company. Him not there with you're a girl, man. Deal with it, man. Look how you make the girl embarrass you. Send. Come on, Mimi, I'm a friend, Tonight. Let's take you on a love tour. Tonight, yeah, tonight. Let us stir up the stair floor. Tonight, yeah, tonight. I wanna give it to you hardcore. Tonight. Let me love you with my heels on, yeah. Let me ride up your. Why you push on the man, girl? You afraid of man? You do what? Pull up there. There are people up here with me. I don't go along home. I don't go home car. I don't ramp with me. You can. Then you know I'll come up here and deal with it. Look for when me call you. Send out the rhythm again. I don't get laugh with me, man. They're paying up right now. You soon come up here, darling. Alright. I want to tell them on your song. I want to ride in your cockpit. Take me high up in your cockpit. I I wanna fly in your cockpit. Ooh, 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 boy, you gonna like this. I wanna ride in your cockpit. Take me high up in your cockpit. I wanna fly in your cockpit. Ooh, 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 boy, you gonna like this. Yeah. I get in me in a me G-string. Paul, I'm going home. No more, me. Thank you for coming up. Me foot hot me, everywhere hot me and me back hot me. ISHANNA, we couldn't deal with you now.
One MVP. Dance on, people! How you feeling? It's going good, right? Okay, I understand the next act. Before I do the next act, let me just run this down for you. The start time, 10 minutes.
But before I call on the doctor, ladies and gentlemen, recently there has been a spark of controversy in dancehall. But I'm begging you not to play this female artist down, because every woman needs love. And when you can't get love, you're gonna search for love. So ladies and gentlemen, out of the down sound record, big up to a man of it, Skatta Burell. Please help me welcome on to center stage, the reigning sensation of the dancehall, none other than the beautiful Sky. Big up yourself, the beautiful ISHANNA.
Once you're ready for me, you are not anything. Let me know in the name of Jesus. I am begging you, please.
Touch my body.
Come up at the yard, the back window open. My body in need tonight. Someone you give it to me sweet tonight. But oh man never knows how we need love tonight. Right here to sing, sing. We need love, we need love. Right now, we need a nice strong body man. Yeah, we can manage me. Anybody out there? I'll spend years in not touch my body. And when I raise and I feel. We are there. We are there. One thing I got tonight. We can't manage two people one time. As well as this baby, right? Who do you think must pick? Rastafari. Or what about the little shorty right here? Alright. Let's work with the rest. And if not now, go and see him. We'll try out a little shorty, right? Come on, I guess I'm not happy. I'll be serious if not touch my body.
Man, go now, man. Can't stop. Everybody gone.
Oh my God.
Everybody gone now. Shut up,
Dance all people. Fly.